Hi, my name's Sam Teicher, and I'm one of the founders of Coral Vita, and we're a company that grows corals to restore dying reefs. Coral reefs are one of the most magnificent ecosystems on the planet, but we've already lost more than 30% of the world's reefs and are projected to lose 75% by 2050. It's not only an ecological tragedy, but a socioeconomic catastrophe because reefs support more than 1 billion people around the world. So Coral Vita grows corals up to 50 times faster while strengthening their resiliency to climate change and puts them back out into reefs to help bring them back to life and preserve them for future generations. So at Coral Vita, we'll go and survey reef health and determine what sites need help and in fact can be restored. We'll then collect coral fragments and then bring them to our farms, which are land-based facilities filled with tanks where we pump seawater through and grow the corals inside them. We're actually here in Grand Bahama where we're building our coral farm right now. As the corals grow, we can strengthen their resiliency to warming and acidifying oceans that threaten their health and use a process known as microfragmenting to grow them in months instead of decades. Once they're big and strong enough, we then go and find the reefs we want to restore, put them back out in there, and watch the ecosystem come back to life as more fish appear and the corals thrive and we see the ocean become healthy again. So I've been a scuba diver since I was 13 years old, and there's no place I'd rather be than in the ocean. And it's pretty crazy to me to think that our world's reefs and oceans and ecosystems are dying. And I never thought I'd have to even create a company to start restoring reefs, but that's what's needed right now. So along with my friend Gator, we started Coral Vita to help preserve reefs for future generations and protect all the communities and people and amazing marine life around the world that depend on them.